Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to use and turn on vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. The vehicle motion cue setting on an iPhone is designed to help reduce motion sickness, which can occur when you're traveling in a vehicle. This feature is particularly helpful for individuals who experience discomfort or nausea due to the constant movement of the vehicle. The setting works by displaying animated dots on the screen, which indicate the direction and speed of the vehicle's motion. To enable vehicle motion cues on your iPhone, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app. From there, tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility menu, tap Motion. Here you will find a list of motion-related settings. Then, tap on Show Vehicle Motion Cues, and select the On option. Additionally, if you prefer a quicker and more convenient way to toggle the feature on and off, you can use the back tap functionality. By configuring this option in the Settings app, you can double tap or triple tap the back of your phone to turn vehicle motion cues on or off without needing to navigate through the menus. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.